Welcome back to Making Adventure. Today we're going to be doing the bends, but before we do that, we bought a new table saw because our old table saw was kind of poopy, and we didn't want to risk cutting our aluminum panels badly because we only have one shot at this. And aluminum is super expensive right now, so if we messed up, we're so close to the truck being done, and we've noticed we do better when we do like vloggy style more so rather than build style. We're still gonna like do build style, but it's gonna be more vloggy going on from here forward.
So far, first impressions of this thing, it went together very easy, and they give you all the tools you need. As with anything else though, the tools that it comes with is trash, so we use our own, but it did give you everything you need. You could buy the saw and set it up and cut without having to buy anything extra. It has a miter gauge, or miter used for cutting miters, and then it's got this vacuum blade guard. We won't be using that. We're also not going to be using the anti-kickback teeth thing. I don't like those. I throw them away, but you use it if you don't know what you're doing. One thing that you have to make sure that the saw has is a riving knife. This thing will prevent kickback more than any of those other two devices. Well, not so much the blade guard because it has a knife built into the guard, but make sure it has one of these knives.
You like it?
I do like it so far.
You like it.
We're gonna need to go and let our puppies out, then warm up, and then we'll come back and rip down those panels.
Babies! Come on, babies. Let's go outside, go potty. Come on, let's go potty. Come on, let's go potty. Let's go outside. Good babies. Oh, these are girly. Guys are girly. Hello.
In the past, we've went out and bought a tool for anything that we needed to build, if we need to build a specialized tool, because the idea is that we want to be able to build another truck from this truck. So all the tools that we were going to use, even if they're specialized, we purchased them. A brake is just too big to do that because usually they get bolted down to the floor, and we couldn't do that on something that drives. So we had these pieces broken over, then we cut the angles, or we cut the corners at 45 and put them together like a picture frame. And since it's so thin, it's only 080, we didn't want to try to weld it with the MIG gun welder like we welded the rest of the truck. We are trying some of this, it's quote aluminum welding rod. It's brazing rod is what it really is, but everybody online says it's cold weld or something like that. It's actually hotter. It makes your material hotter than when you actually weld it, because it has to heat it over such a long period of time. But now that we've got these frames, kind of like a picture frame thing made, we just gotta glue it down, screw it in, and we gotta build the doors to go inside of this. I'm gonna flip this though. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for today. You can see we got the floor, we got the back wall. This is going to have a propane tank in this bin. This bin right here was going to have a propane tank. This bin's going to be storage. And that bin's going to be a fuel tank. So we don't need a floor or back wall on that one. But that's going to have to be it for today, because tomorrow is Christmas. And we will come back next week building the door frames, or building the doors for these frames. And hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. We'll see you next time.